No, don't tell me you don't know what this fucker was doing. Like, I swear to God, next place he goes from here is a fucking hospital. Hey, dude, I work for the railroad. Don't mess with me. I was like, fuck you, dude. I'm a tool and die maker. I will fuck you up, dude. You work for the fucking railroad. Fuck you, fucking faggot. You got balls to grab this shit and drive it. I didn't think it'd make a difference. Fuck you. A week later, she threw Rusty out of the house. Threw him out. She even wanted him to move in. They were going out all of a sudden one day. This guy who got thrown out of his place with whoever he was with, he's carrying all this shit into her house. And she's like, I was like, what's going on? She's like, Rusty's moving in. I was like, oh, that's nice. Good for you guys. Next thing you know, they got a fucking husky puppy. Bluey. Oh, and Rusty's one's like, oh, he's got blue eyes just like Daddy's got. Well, you know, after he did his shit, I fucking yanked him out of a tractor and threw him across the front yard. A week later, she fucking threw his ass out. All those years that fucking dog lived outside.
Why are you telling me this again?
Oh, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Because I'm thinking about these jackasses, what they did over here, and what's going to happen with the rain and shit and everything else and concrete work. This guy better hope to God it don't fucking rain a lot. Because if it does, he should have the city's ass and this guy's ass on the fucking line. Just because the city wants it done by this fucking date, based on the weather, and them saying a lie that all it needs is 4 hours after it's poured and it's rain safe, is a fucking lie. You can look that shit up online all day long and they'll say, no. Yeah, if you're down in fucking Florida or Texas, where it's hot as fuck, it's going to cure faster, but not when it's 65 fucking degrees outside and dropping. Because when they poured that shit, it was 65 degrees outside. Probably now it's what, about 58 degrees outside? It's starting to get rained on.
But why? Hang on. Why are you getting upset? That's Nico's problem.
Because he's my neighbor. He's my friend.
I get that, but I'm trying
to... I got his back.
You got his back. What are you going to do? You going to go over there and pay for it?
I won't. No. I'll give him all the information he needs. This is what I'll do. I'll give him information so he can fuck with them.
You don't think he's not doing that?
He doesn't know a lot. He didn't even know about what should be under it.
Stop. I'm pretty sure... Hold on. I'm pretty sure Nico's a smart man. Okay, he has to be for the type of...
He only knew about having the 4 inches of 21 AA under it because I told him. And what they threw down, I told him the other day, that is not 21 AA. It's that and a mix of clay and dirt and bullshit. And it was all soggy and mushy on the side. So you can't crank on top of this crap. So, he swings back, and here the city fucking signs that it's okay to pour concrete on top of the shit that they had there.
Okay, so